Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the Cupcake with Sparkler Mockup in Photopea. So first go to photopea.com in any web browser. It's photopea.com. I'm using Google Chrome. It just worked a little faster than Safari. So if you're having any trouble with your web browser, you might want to check out Google Chrome. And then just click Open from Computer to open up the mockup. And then it's going to load for a few seconds. Once it does, we're going to be doing a lot in this layers panel right here. So if you don't see the layers panel, go to Window, Layers to bring it up. And once it opens up, you'll want to click the arrow next to the topper and toothpick layer, and then the arrow next to topper, and that'll expand the layer group. And then just double click the thumbnail icon next to the design-topper layer. And that's going to open up a smart object where you can copy and paste your design. And then we'll just go to File, Open. And we'll find the topper design. Then we just need to copy and paste it, so we'll go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and then click on the Smart Object tab here, and go to Edit, Paste. And it may not come in the right size exactly, so to fix that, if you need to resize it, just click on any one of the four corners and hold down the Shift key to keep it from getting distorted, and then just drag in or out to resize the topper as needed. And then when you've got it right, just go to File, Save Smart Object, and it'll let you know when it's updated, and then you can just click the X to close the smart object. And you can close your original graphics too. And you'll see it put the topper on just like that easily. If your topper isn't circular, you can just click this eye icon here to turn the topper off. And then you can copy and paste your differently sized or differently shaped topper right onto the toothpick. To do that, we'll go to File, Open, and then we'll find the topper. And then once again, we'll go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and we'll click back on the mockup, and we'll go to Edit, Paste. And just click and drag it into place. If you need to, you can hold down the Shift key and click and drag on the four corners to resize it.